The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant effect on cities in the ESCAP region, causing severe economic contraction in many urban areas. The main policy trends for recovery that we have observed in the region include a focus on urban planning to address issues of inadequate infrastructure and housing, which has contributed to a concentration of cases in urban areas. We actually had seen temporary reductions in air pollution and emissions during the lockdowns, and there is a recognition that recoveries should be planned to make such reductions permanent through a transition to low carbon development and clean energy. And cities really have an important role in leading this transition. We see, secondly, that cities are considering the need to accelerate digitalization to build resilience. Not only have cities adopted innovative approaches to public services and e-governance, improved online accessibility and greater efficiency in provision, but also they're recognizing the need to provide equitable access to data services and internet so that vulnerable communities are not left behind and that all students can participate in learning. Access in the region has been distributed unevenly, and considering still about half of this region remains offline and the majority does not have access to fast broadband, the digital divide remains a challenge for cities in this region. Leveraging technologies and the wave towards smart cities is emerging in recovery efforts. The third is that cities have observed fragile global supply chains, and they're understanding better the need to develop robust and diverse local economies to expand their tax base. For this, there is a need to further support decentralization and empower local authorities to strike a better balance of responsibilities between national and local governments. Reliance on local supply chains and building the resilience of communities to withstand shocks and stresses is important. Some cities are undertaking a voluntary local review process in coordination with their recovery strategies. This will allow them to fully engage all stakeholders, to set priorities, and to monitor much more effectively their progress against the SDGs. We see that COVID recovery measures should transform urban systems in the region, rather than simply rebuilding outmoded structures. And for this, collaboration across all levels of government and with civil society and individuals is vital to success.